Hello, my name is Scott for SB Gaming. We are here in Offworld Trading Company. And for those who don't know what this game is, it's a combination of a real-time strategy game and an economic simulator, I guess you could say. You have these various companies that are colonizing and extracting resources from the planet Mars, and you have a certain number of claims that you can lay on the planet on various resource patches. From there, you can build different buildings that allow you to extract the resources, refine them into products, sell those products, make a lot of money in order to buy resources or, of course, buy shares in your competitors. There is no actual direct conflict or war or battle between the various companies. You can go into the black market and purchase the services of some disreputable people, but yeah, about that, I haven't really tried. I've really focused on building my economy up and getting things going. I've had a little bit of trouble with one of the tutorials. I have spent about 2 hours or so in this game, and mostly at the learn to play. So yeah, these were fairly easy. Won them without any problems, and this one has been a pain. They all, I believe, start off as scientific and start out well, but then I fall behind, and then I really fall behind when all the competition ends up getting bought out, and I'm sitting there left. Okay, so so what I'm going to do, I don't know how many people have seen this game or know much about this game. There is also a campaign mode, and as an example, oh, was that? Oh yes, that's right. So basically, no, I want to just jump out of this. Exit game. No, I didn't want to save it. Anyway, the campaign is a little bit different than the multiplayer skirmish mode, where you have these engineers that you can purchase and you acquire, and they allow you to build certain buildings. So not all buildings are available. For instance, if we start there, welcome to the campaign. The campaign is special single player mode, and yeah, so basically, yeah, if you, unlike the regular game, all buildings are not available by default. Instead, each corporation needs at least one worker to unlock each building. For example, water pumps are unlocked with water pump engineers. Pleasure domes are unlocked with pleasure dome managers. Off-world markets are unlocked with off-world market astronauts, and so on. So yeah, this is the engineers that we have. And as you can see, we have 3 solar panel engineers, water pump engineers, electrolysis reactor engineers, and so on. We do not have any wind turbine engineers or geothermal engineers, and we would need to purchase them out of the labor pool in order to be able to utilize these. So with that said, we can buy multiple ones, and when you hire an additional worker, they will boost the performance. You can either spend this amount of money to get them for one mission only, or you can spend double in order to hire them permanently. Costs an extra $100,000. So shift click. And yeah, so what I'm going to do right now, do I want to do this? Yeah, our stock prices starts at $4, and this is a very different mode compared to the multiplayer skirmish. Growth round, turn 1. Yeah, about that. Yeah, we're just going to give a go on this and see where we get to. So we have unlock expansive, unlocks founding expansive headquarters, and +1 claims. They get a shipment of 20 electronics when upgrading their headquarters, and unlocks founding robot headquarters. Is there anything we can, or we should buy? I might go solar power. And actually, because we have 3 of them, that actually would probably be worth... When I last did this round, I did buy a wind turbine engineer, but unfortunately, yeah, produces 0.45 power, whereas my solar panels produce 1.2 power. Downside, of course, is the solar panels only work half the time, when, of course, it is daytime. So what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to leave it at that. Dry ice condenser, chemicals lab. I may hold off on that. I might keep my money. For now, what do they got? 2 goon squads. Plus 1 goon squad per game. Really? So yeah, this all depends on which of the CEOs you went with. You get various options, so let's just give the campaign a little bit of go. Must select a level start, so we can go here. Lycus Sulky. Perk reward for most stock. A glass shipment. Map size large. Bribe. Black market. Bribe a claim. How about Syria Planum? Perk reward. Unlock robotic. Carbon shipment. Glass shipment. You know what? I'm going to start... Yeah, let's start this mission. Alright, yeah. Campaign missions work significantly different from regular skirmishes. First, the stock market is closed, so the different corporations are not trying to buy stock in each other. Instead, campaign missions last 7 days, and the corporations are competing to invest in the colony, which can be found in the middle of the map. The colony is composed of a set of modules in the middle of the map, which determines how big the colony's population can grow and whether there are enough jobs to attract new colonists. There are 4 different module types. Habitat is +1 housing, consumes water, food, and oxygen. Workshop is +1 job, consumes electronics and glass. Office is +1 job, which consumes power and electronics. And laboratory, as you can see there. The colony will grow as long as population is less than both the housing and jobs available. Each module purchased by a corporation provides 1 share of colony stock for it. The corporation with the most colony stock at the end of the mission will receive the bonus perk. Also, the colony adds to the income of all corporations relative to its final population and the number of shares of the colony stock owned. I wonder if that's during the... I'm going to have to... Anyway, we are going to start the mission, and...
Low levels of iron found.
What you want to do is, of course...
Found. Low levels of aluminum found.
Explore.
High levels of iron found.
You can see... Have to wait for it to... Let's, up here...
Revolving quality found in.
Found.
That's right here. Oh, there's lots of water there. Lots of, was this iron? Lots of iron. Wow. And lots of aluminum. Let's explore that. You know what? I'm gonna, yeah, right here. Expansive, or maybe here. Yeah, I'm gonna go here.
Scans agree this is a great primary location for our new investment.
So what
You
I'm
can
going to
count on
do,
us.
yep, right there. I'm going to go iron right there.
Low levels of silicon found. Medium levels of silicon found.
Iron there. I'm going to go to steel. I'll go right there. And I may want to go power. Solar panels. Alright, so 1.1. 1.1 is the most that we can
High
get.
levels of
Colony
carbon
expanded.
found.
let's just throw it here.
Freelance pirates are auctioning their services to the highest bidder.
Alright, so we can see here, maximum colony size is 10, jobs 3, housing 3, population 2, 589 of 1,000, and growth is 19, or plus 19. Food too expensive, that decreases the growth. So yeah, right now, food is $61 per
The
unit.
black market is online.
Really? Okay. And here is where you can buy the various modules. So you can buy a workshop, which costs either $43.20, or you can spend the money for the... Oh. Did I buy a... Yeah. Oh, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, I didn't have the money. Anyway, right now I do not have any more claims since I already spent them on, and I'm going to pay off my debt. I actually am only against one person. Oh, I see. I see. They're producing metal and steel. Well, that could be very nice for us since we have kind of diversified, which means that we are going to be able to make a lot of money. But that is... Alright, so yeah, the steel steel mill here will allow us to immediately get the resources as they're produced. I'm going to want glass. Yeah, that's right. Although I do have a little bit of glass. Just a matter of waiting for steel to be available, or we can actually purchase it right now. I'm going to purchase it.
With this new expansion, we have increased our potential production rates by a lot. The shareholders will love it.
Yeah, we are going to want to go glass, and glass requires... It consumes oxygen and silicone. So we are going to want to build an elemental quarry, and silicone is yellow. This building can be built on either one. And, oh, so yeah. This would be the best spot. Produces the most resources. And we are going to want to have a glass factory. I must have $1,200 to... Price is dropping on silicone, that's no problem. What else do I got here? Iron. I got 180 aluminum. Oh. Glass. Yeah, I can buy it if I want to. Buy it there.
Pirates. I hate those filthy bandits.
Oh! Really? He decided to buy an EMP and just knocked my metal mine, my steel mill, and my aluminum mine out. Fortunately, it's not very long, so yeah, about that. But it does put us behind a little bit, and I'm going to need O2, oxygen. We're going to need $700. I'm going to sell off some of my aluminum to buy oxygen. I'm going to put it... Actually, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter right there. As long as it's connected to your headquarters, then it's all good. And for O2, yeah, I'm going to need water. Consumes water to produce oxygen and fuel, so I'm going to need to construct a water pump. Oh, that'd be a very good spot. It's also the closest. We have one more claim. I have $2,000 in debt. And spent his money on a nuke once again. That is annoying. We can buy a habitat. You know what? I'm going to buy a habitat. It'll get me a stock and get me a little bit extra money. Food too expensive. Pay some of my debt, and so I'm going to, with my last claim, and this is the colony that we are supplying.
Freelance pirates are auctioning their services to the highest bidder.
Mutiny, what do you got?
Sold.
And what is he at right now? He is $21,000 in debt. So yeah. Where are you mutinying? Good job mutinying the solar panels that are, yeah. You're not getting any power from me. That's awesome. That's awesome. So with my next claim, I am going to want to have a... Yeah, I'm going to throw this right about here. Although I could have built it there, although then the food... Yeah, about that. Anyway, the mutiny is gone. Oh, and power is worth... I have $10,000 into debt because of power. That is not good. Aluminum's not worth anything. Glass. What does it take to upgrade? We will need 40 glass, 160 steel, 160 aluminum. We have the aluminum. It's going to cost us $9,500 to, or $9,400 now to purchase the materials. But yeah, about that. We're still in debt. We need... Yeah, we're going to definitely... Oh, well, that's annoying. That is annoying. Alright, so yeah, we are being driven into debt because of that. We at least would be making some money. And now they have no debt. Lovely. So, things turned around there for us. So, I'm going to sell off money, or food. Yeah, I'm going to sell off some of that. And...
Robotic colony expanded.
Sell off the iron. Sell off more. I have the aluminum. Still waiting on steel. Still waiting on glass. Let's... Yeah, I'm going to pay down my debt. This is not looking good for us. It is day 4 of 7. And I'm still waiting on... Yeah. Oh, we have the glass. So we just need steel. On the one hand, they are no longer mutinying this. But we need power. We need power badly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sell a little bit of glass. $9,000 to upgrade. Lovely. Oh, how things turn around for us. Let's sell off some food. Alright. I'm going to sell off No, that's not worth anything. And now they're just... Oh, you... Oh, that sucks. That's going to drive us deeper into debt because... Yep. Well, about that. Can we sell anything off? Can we sell any off? I'll sell a bit more glass. Still waiting on steel. But we are making $122 from our power. Yep, indeed. So, this is going to be interesting. We're on day 5 of 7. They're up to a stock value of $5.38. We're kind of lagging behind. And we're up to 103 steel. And seriously? I don't want to spend the money. Purchase, bribe, a claim. You know what? I just might buy a claim so that I can do something with it. Yeah, we're going to want to construct another hydroponic, and I'm going to put it right about here because of the adjacency bonus. I'm going to sell off some of my silicone, and I'm still going to need my glass. Yeah, I spent some of the steel. Bother. Only need 6,800. And let's sell off some of our food. Sell some more
With this new
and upgrade.
expansion, we have increased our
The
potential
black
production
market
rates
is
by a lot.
online.
The shareholders will love it.
Really? Thanks. Well, aluminum doesn't really matter. I need to get into electronics. And they require aluminum, carbon, and silicone. Yeah, I'm going to need a carbon mine. All the way down here. Please tell me that they're not going to acquire it or try to acquire it. Oh, yeah, indeed. Alright, so scrap that.
Someone ganked your claim, oh no.
No, I need carbon. Yeah, over here might be, or no, maybe over, no, these would be closest. So I'm gonna put it here. And we're at day 6 of 7. That's not good. Electronics. So I'm going to be producing carbon. I'm producing aluminum and silicone. So I'm going to want an electronics factory. And I'm going to
Robotic
throw
colony
this
expanded.
over here. One thing you do not want to do is group all your buildings together. I'm kind of spreading things out so I have room to expand as well. It'll prevent them from being able to blow up anything or do an EMP or other fun stuff that they like to do so much. Oh, nice. I can send it to... Didn't know about that button. What are we going to need to upgrade? A lot of stuff. Network virus. Really? What can we sell? We can sell some of that. I'm going to... Wow. Alright. I think they bought a bunch of habitats, so we can just... Glass, we can... It costs $6,000 to buy one of those, and $6,000 to buy one of those. I don't really want to spend the money, but electronics is worth $394 and going up, so that is going to be good. What I may want to do is build a second one of these, and I'll build it right there. And I may want to, with my last claim, what does it take for oh, it requires a chemical lab. Alright, won't be doing that. Construct the last furnace. Oh, seriously? Oxygen and silicone. Where's my silicone? Silicone's right there. I'm going to... Actually, power's a pretty good price. I'm going to construct the second one. Get the adjacency bonus, and probably I should have built these over here just so I can build a lot more around them, but it'll do. So now I'm going to want to obviously upgrade. Although we are on the last day, so... Gamma launch wins. I guess I bought 3 shares. They bought 12 shares. Yep. Alright. So. Yep. Food too expensive. -6 growth. Oxygen too expensive. -3 growth. Population level of 7. There is a growth of +11. Housing was at a 10. Jobs was a 9. Maximum colony size was a 10. Let's jump over there. And this is how we stacked up. They got the jump ahead a little bit. We caught up, and then they jumped ahead again. And then we were slacking, but we caught up. We surpassed them. They kind of declined, and then we just declined as well. And then they just started going up. And that is the map there. A lot of water. A lot of iron. Go back to stats, and yeah, we can take a look at insane resource graph. Yeah, electronics usually is at the top. Anyway, we are going to jump out of this, and turn 1. Before the mission, we started off with $600,000, no debt. From mission, we have cash plus resources 82,000. Debt is 43,639. We had an income of 70,000 from the colony, I guess it was. Final cash of 752,000. Final debt 43,639. And we are at 708,000 after paying the debt. So we made 108,000 on this this playthrough here. This first turn of 7 turns, I think it is. Yeah. In this round, corporations compete to claim different territories. The corporation which invests the most receives the territory's special perk. So they have just received, where are they? Alpha launch. So I think it was Alpha launch, or was it Omega stock? It was someone. Someone had... Whoever we were going up against. Epsilon... Oh, no. Was it Epsilon upgrade? No. It was Gamma launch. That's right. Alright, so that's going to be it for me today. For this preview episode of Offworld Trading Company. And... if you would be interested in seeing this game being featured regularly on the channel, let me know down in the comments. Hit the like button. Join the SB Gaming Online playgroup, as this is a perfect game to play some multiplayer. With that said, the SB Gaming Online Playgroup has been somewhat dormant. I haven't really spent any time on the group. I set up planning to do some multiplayer stuff, although at this moment I have not really spent much time on the group. But there are a few members, and looking forward to seeing more on there. Any multiplayer gaming opportunities that do pop up for this channel will be posted on the group. Those who are part of the SB Gaming Online Playgroup will, of course, get the first shot at being in a multiplayer series. But other than that, thank you for watching this preview episode of Offworld Trading Company. It has been fun, and my name is Scott for SB Gaming, and as always, have a good day.